Now, every year you delay, and you know what? Land prices also rise up higher and higher and higher. And so in this video, I'm going to show you exactly the smart way to buy and own land. You know what? The first tip is that be able to buy land at an outskirt area, that is developing area or upcoming area. Now, the reason I'm saying this is that those of you who make the biggest mistake to try purchase land in the cities is that you see the cities lands are of huge amount, very expensive. You can't buy for now. If you're able to amass wealth and be able to buy, fine. But if your finances are not up to that, that shouldn't prevent you from owning your land. Get to a developing area, buy your land, just as you see this particular land over here in your shot. Now, this person has been able to purchase this land at a developing area. As you can see, the city is developing gradually, as you can see clearly over here. And now, you know one thing, he has been able to fence the land just to protect the land, and that is one of the beautiful practices that you should also implement whenever you secure a land. Wherever you secure the land, be able to protect the land. Now, this person has been able to fence it. You can either fence it like this, or you can use pillars to show the joint so that people will not be disturbing you. But the best way is to fence it this way. Now, there's this one too beside the fenced land, and you see the person has started mountain blocks, started building. So that is it. Be able to start something like this. Okay, now someone will ask, how do I get the finances to purchase that? Yes, you have teacher unions and you have cooperatives, associations and all that. Get in touch, get some finances, purchase it within your means, and then when you're able to purchase the land, when you're able to secure the land becomes your own property. And one interesting thing is that you can either sell the land when the place gets to the city level, or you can give out the land for people to use as farming. As you can see clearly over here, that other people are also using the land as farming, as you can see clearly. So it's either you use it that way, it's either you involve yourself in the farming directly, or you hire someone to involve in the farming, or you rent it, you lease it out for some people to use it for farming, and you are going to actually enjoy even whilst the land will be there resting for you in future. That is it, and that is a smart way to own your land as a teacher or a learner or any other person at all watching this particular video. And so be able to get time, be moving around wherever you find yourself, your locality, your place, moving around and be checking where you can get some of these lands at the vantage areas, and then you can start with just one plot and scale up with time. A lot of landowners, estate owners, started with just a plot of land. Some started with just 2 plots of land, but now they are owning estates. They are estate owners. You can also do same, but you don't need the biggest monies. Do not be afraid to start. Just move out. Just be exploring. Be able to use the small money that you have to get something big. That is it, and that's the smart way to secure a land at wherever you find yourself right now. If you are in the city, I've advised you can move out to the outskirt areas, to the developing areas, purchase the land over there. The money that you can use to purchase the land in the city will be able to purchase about 2 or 3 at the developing area, and within few years, you see that place will also develop, and then you become a master of yourself at that particular place. These are some of the free financial education that this particular platform has been given to you and will continue to give to you right here. Be part of this family. Now let me ask you, if you are given $10,000 right now, will you invest it into purchasing of lands or building for hotels, renting and other purposes? Oh yes, someone also saying that, okay, yes, building on the land and then using it for rentals is also a whole lot of serious business. Some other time I will dive into that, and hey, you're going to be amazed. Now let me hear from the comment section, what will you use that $10,000 to do as a teacher? Thank you very much. Do not forget to subscribe and be part of this family. If you're watching from Facebook, TikTok, follow and be part of this free financial education lovers. Thank you. Do have a wonderful time.